Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola.
Welcome back to a whole new day.
Good morning, Transformer.
Transformer? What the fuck?
What?
Good morning, guys, and welcome to a new day here in the vlog world. And today we're going to
Go to the Golden Bay.
I feel a bit tired today. But yeah, we're going to the Golden Bay, the clearest water in New Zealand.
In the market.
The fuck? My future wife.
Ooh.
Yeah, we're gonna drive for 2 hours. We're gonna be there. Gonna be a good drive. We'll make it alive, hopefully.
First, ice coffee. No road trip without ice coffee.
No road trip without Andreas doing a one oh shit moment on the street. He's one oh shit, we're gonna die move.
Need to wake up.
You should see the eyes of the other guy coming. Always look for cars, kids.
Or always look at something else. And pray.
Or as we say in Sweden, did you get your driver license in a box of cereals?
Maybe.
Cross your finger, we're coming alive. Boy! So we're not there yet. We just wanted to stretch our legs up in the mountains. It's just a 400-meter walk to look at something huge. And now it's 45 minutes left to go by. And we are finally at Waikurupupu Spring Walk. We have no idea what we're gonna do here.
They just kidnapped me.
What?
They just kidnapped me and hold me hostage now.
Yeah. Our little boy toy.
So, anyone who see this, please send help. Please call
Buried
this
in
number
the
to
forest.
check if I'm alive.
You guys will have to see what we will find in this forest. Look for crocodiles and snakes and all that kind of good stuff, mate.
Or maybe a Pikachu.
Oh, I can hear it. There's a fucking Pikachu, eh? Oh, I can hear it. There's a lot of Pokemon, eh? Oh, I can hear another one. Oh, I need help.
Do you know where we're going?
No. Catch you guys. Can you please explain what you're feeling right now?
I'm feeling utter calmness and inner peace here.
It's very clear water.
Yeah. Wonder it's cold or not.
I think it's cold as fuck. Corona. Just shit.
Corona.
Corona. If you drive 2 hours from Nelson, you will end up at Lake Pupu, where the water is so clear. Nice and quiet.
Fabian! Hur går det? Där har vi Andreas.
Jajamän.
Oh man! boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Boy, we're back in the car again.
Oh, did you guys have fun?
Yeah, we're really funny.
I had a lot of fun. I'm training on my Kiwi accent. Oh, you know, nothing much. Just went for a swimming. Oh yeah.
Smoke, guys.
We're looking for a burger. Oh, I see you at the burger place. You can find it. You're back.
Mäktigt.
So if you want to eat burger, go to Takaka and go to Stray Burger.
Yeah.
Bäst än Burger.
You say it better than a Frog Burger, but I
Yeah.
haven't got the Frog Burger yet.
No?
Yeah, good burgers, Takaka. Should go here. But yeah, I'm gonna drive the car now, so I think this is the end of this day.
Hopefully we'll survive.
No, we're not gonna survive.